This tree is considered one of the premium species in the Philippines. What a majestic tree this is. Introducing Dao, Dracontomelon Dao of the family Anacardiaceae. The species name Dao is taken from the tree's name in Filipino. It is a premium tree species in the Philippines based on the DENR Administrative Order number 39 series of 1993. What is a premium species? A premium species refers to a type of plant or animal highly valued for its quality, rarity, or desirability in various markets such as agriculture, horticulture, or conservation. It is also called the Argus pheasant tree, New Guinea walnut, Pacific walnut, or paldaw. The municipality of Dao Capiz and the barangay of Dao in Mabalacat, Pampanga are named after the Dao tree. Dao was declared one of the Centennial Heritage Trees of UPLB by former Chancellor Dr. Lois Ray Velasco. It is a tall tree with bole diameters of 1 meter or more and a very large board-shaped buttresses, bole round and straight. It is widely distributed in lowland New Guinea, New Britain, and New Ireland, as well as in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. It is common in some parts of the Philippines, but is not ordinarily cut for the market value to its large sapwood. Dracontomelon dao is an ornamental plant often used as garden ground cover. It is hard to cut because of its large, tall buttress. The sap of the tree may be irritating and or poisonous. The wood is used for shed and boat building, light flooring, paneling, core stocks, furniture, cabinets, decorative veneers, boxes and crates, musical instruments, interior trim, joinery, carvings, toys, novelties, and turnery. The bark is used against dysentery. Leaves and flowers are used in traditional medicine and as a flavoring for cooking. It is also used medicinally for its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. In other countries, several studies have been conducted on the health benefits of dao. Dao serves as a substitute for black and Circassian walnuts. The wide buttress is excellent as a tabletop and a good molding timber. The fruits are edible. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.